Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. What are the conditions for myomectomy? For myomectomy to be conducted, you need certain conditions. First is symptomatic uterine fibroids. What do you mean by symptomatic uterine fibroids? By symptomatic uterine fibroids, certain section of people, even though they have fibroids, they might not have a symptomatology of the fibroid, but certain section of people do have symptoms like prolonged bleeding, or bleeding occurring every 15 days or every 10 days, too much of bleeding, passing of larger clots or clots as such, back pain, dragging kind or bearing that kind of pain in the uterine region. You might be experiencing anemic symptoms where after you sit for a longer period of time and then you get up, you feel vertigo or you feel dizzy. There is a lot of hair fall, your skin becomes pale, your nails are very brittle, they break off very easily, you don't have energy to do anything. All of these are the symptoms of fibroids. If you're having any of these symptoms, you can get this myomectomy done. Apart from this, if you have desire for future pregnancy, which is the main concept of the myomectomy introduction, that is, if you want to get pregnant, even though if you have fibroids, after the removal of fibroids, if you have a desire to get pregnant, you can get pregnant. That is the main point in this myomectomy. Apart from that, infertility. If there is any fibroid which is blocking the fallopian tube or which is blocking the uterine cavity so that the baby is not growing, by their removal you can improve your fertility rates. And then if you're having any sort of urinary or constipation problems, if you take this as the uterus and this is the urinary bladder, if the fibroid is falling on the urinary bladder, it can create pressure symptoms where you feel an urge to urinate frequently. You might be having recurrent UTI, that is urinary tract infections. You can have pain during urination. All of these problems. Along with that, if this is the uterus and this is the backside of the uterus and this is the rectum and the fibroid is falling on the rectum, it can create rectal symptoms. It can create constipation, pain during stool, and all of these symptoms. If you're having any of these symptoms also, you can get myomectomy. Apart from that, myomectomy is very useful for submucosal and intramucosal fibroids. What are submucosal fibroids and what are intramural fibroids? We have already done a detailed topic on the fibroids, types of it, locations of it, and the best treatment options. You can check it. The link will be provided in the description box. Apart from this, as we've already discussed in the previous video, which is UAE, which is uterine artery embolization, we have discussed that UAE is not for larger fibroids, but in this myomectomy, even if you're suffering from a larger fibroid or numerous amounts of fibroids, also myomectomy can be performed. If you're viewing this video, if you're someone who's suffering from fibroids or any other female reproductive organ diseases, Fidicus Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two kinds of consultation options, the one being online consultation and in-person or offline consultation. If you're staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and consult us in person. If you're staying far away from us, you can consult us online through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. After the consultation has been finished, we will ask you for needed investigations. If you have already done the investigations, you can share it with us. After doctor consultation and case taking, especially to the online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Apart from that, anywhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you want to contact us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, or message us. If you want to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids, endometriosis, adenomyosis, PCOS, PCOD, or if you're suffering from dysmenorrhea or any sort of female reproductive organ diseases, you can count on Fidicus Homeopathy, because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we are following 3 basic principles, the one being highest success rate. We are already treating these kinds of cases and we have really good success rate in them. The second one being the transparent treatment. Here there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The prognosis of your case will be clearly explained to you. And the third one being the personal care. And personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. Here we will be busting all your myths, we will be educating you on all your queries, and also we will be advising you on what to do and what not to do, like the precautions. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.